Hey guys, welcome to week 6. You did a wonderful job last week, really thinking about some complex topics. And you'll notice that pretty much every topic we discuss is interconnected, right? There's interdependence between mental health, global health, staffing, and the caring of our elderly populations. And it's a lot, right? So we look at it through a single lens, but the reality is, as you're seeing, everything is a very complex and interdependent environment. This week, we're going to shift our attention a little bit to quality initiatives. And so why are we talking about that now? Our quality initiatives are really kind of a way forward. How do we move the bar, move the needle, get to the next step? So I want you to be thinking about that. And we're going to be talking about existing quality initiatives. But in your post, you may even suggest an alternative. Maybe there's an approach that hasn't been tried yet and that you would recommend. And you're welcome to share those.